Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I tried to do like a different hairstyle. Like I was trying to put the ponytail up here, but you guys will see everything in the video. It kind of didn't work out, but I made this work. I just did a little ponytail in the middle and just cut some bangs just to make it a little different. I didn't want to do like straight and body wave and just keep it down all the time. So that's what I did today. This hair is from Julia Hair, and they sent me their 24 inches HD lace wig, and they did say 13 by 6, but it's a 13 by 4. Like, it was really short in the middle, so that's kind of why I couldn't put it up, but this still works. Nothing crazy. Like, it's not like super soft, and it's not bad at all. It's nice quality, and the lace was really great. It is HD lace, but it's more on like the lighter side, but it was really nice to work with, and it can work with any skin tone, of course, as you guys can see. And yeah, so if you guys want to purchase this hair, everything will be in the description below. And if you guys want to see how I attempted, I guess, to do this hairstyle, then keep on watching. Okay, so like the usual, I've already went ahead and did the Wig Cap Method, and it's so awesome. Like, I finally found a shade that matches like my skin to put on the wig cap. Like, I don't have to mix colors anymore. I literally just use this and that's it. This is the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Toast, and I literally just go on the line and it pretty much melts it. I went ahead and already bleached the knots and plucked. I will be doing a video soon on like how I pluck and how I bleach the knots. I'm just trying to find a good time where I could film all of that because it is a bit of a process, but I'll be filming that soon. But here is what it looks like on the inside. It is a 13 by 4, so it's just a little part, and there's not too much lace on the sides, but it's not that bad. You can still use it and do your looks. I really do think I'm gonna do like bangs today. I want to do bangs and maybe a ponytail, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna put that same dark shade that I put on the wig cap on the lace as well. So I'm just gonna do that right now, and just taking a brush, just gonna lightly go over it. If you guys have used a lace tint before, comment below and let me know if you guys like it or not. I do want to get it, but I'm not sure if it's like that life-changing. Yeah, that color looks great. I hope this is a good install. I haven't like worn a wig in so long. I've just been taking long breaks. It probably doesn't seem like that because I filmed them pretty quick. Like, I film them and then I keep a lot saved, so it probably looks like I'm wearing wigs every day, but I'm really not. I just film a lot, and then I have days where I can just chill. Alright. The hair is so nice. I kind of feel bad that I'm gonna cut bangs on it. Now I'm just seeing where I want to glue this, how close I want it. It fits perfect though. It fits really great on here. Yeah, it looks good. Now getting a pencil, this is eyeliner, like an eye pencil or whatever. Just get something dark that works. I don't want it too close since I am doing bangs. And now we basically made like a little edge just so we know where the glue goes. I'm just cleaning this area with some alcohol. And for glue, I'm going to be using Bold Hold's. This is the Bold Hold Active. I love Bold Hold, but it always explodes on me. Like, as soon as I open it, something explodes. And I think I'll do like 2 layers. So I've got about 2 layers, and once it's all clear, I'm just gonna align like the dots with these dots and let it melt. Okay, so I am gonna let it melt, and what I'm gonna do is, I think I forgot my elastic band, but I have my silk scarf, so this is okay. So I'm just gonna take out like a little layer, like a little line, like whatever might be my edges. So I'm gonna pin back all of this and somehow hold this. I'll just go like this and hold it. This method has like really been melting the lace right into my skin, and it gives you a really flawless look. Just want to make sure this is tight. It does work better with the like an elastic type of thing, but this will do. And then just leave it on for like 3 minutes or so, not too long. I'll be back to take this off. Okay, time to take it off. I always forget that it's probably like a second wait for you guys. You're probably like, what do you mean you're gonna be back? I'm already here. Okay, now brush everything back. And I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. Okay, so I do have some spots that aren't all the way glued down, so I'm gonna go and do that off camera so that this video isn't like 30 minutes long, and then I'll be back for styling and everything. Okay, so I went ahead and glued everything else down, and I also did my edges, and you guys can see how I do my edges in like my other videos. It's pretty much the same thing that I did, but the focus is more on like the hairstyle for this one, so you guys can see how I do my edges in another video. Now I'm just putting some heat protectant on my hair so it can be nice and shiny, and then I'm gonna go ahead and straighten it before I do the hairstyle. And I'm just gonna like quickly kind of straighten it. I can fix it up later. Okay, I'm going to do my edges first and then work on the hairstyle. So for the front ones, I wanted them to be really, really short, just because you won't even see them with the bangs. Alright, sideburns, I'll leave them. Now, for the bangs, you kind of want to make like a triangle. Okay, I'm going to cut this first. So twist. And then I'm going to start first long and then work my way short. So I'll cut right here. Okay, I probably won't even have to cut them. We're getting there. And now you can see like if you want to add more or not. But I'm gently going to go with the hot comb. This hot comb has been on for a while. It's looking good. I think I want to make it, I think I want a little bit more. Especially on the side right here. liking how it's looking. I don't know if I want it thicker. A little bit more. It needs a little bit more. Like this side is good. I like how thick it is. I don't know why. Maybe I just plucked more on this side. Okay, I think it's good. I like it. I'll just fix it up later. But it's cute. We got the fringe, the little bangs. And what I wanted to do was put my hair up into a ponytail. Like the lace is really small on the sides, so probably just put it up. Yeah, I'll do this kind of thing. Make sure no tracks are showing. It's really weird, but I'm gonna try and show you guys what I mean. So wherever the thing stops, like don't get the hair like outside of the lace. Don't put that into the ponytail. Only put the hair that's in the lace so that it's really flat. Or else you're gonna have like tracks in the ponytail. I think that works. I think I have the hair that I want in the ponytail, so everything else I'm gonna clip away. Let me just get some wax. I want this to be super sleek. Okay, so I got my ponytail. Definitely gonna have to glue the sides back down. Too high, but I don't want it too low. I think higher looks better though. This is very messy. I'm so sorry. It's so hard to do it like on yourself, but if this was a client, this is way easier on a full lace wig or like 13 by 6. 13 by 4 is really not the best option. I'm gonna make it work. The vision is there, it's just not executing properly. I think it's too short and it's like not enough hair, like, or else the tracks are just all gonna show. So you know what? I'm gonna attempt one more time, maybe like a lower ponytail. You know what? That's the best we're gonna get. I don't want this to take forever because it pretty much is right now. But yeah, this works. This is cute. If I had all the time in the world, I would have made this more perfect, but for the sake of the video, I'm just going to stop it there. I think this looks great. I might make the bangs a bit more wider later, but I think this looks good. What do you guys think? So here is the finished look. I really like how this turned out. It wasn't what it was supposed to be, but you know what? It still works. The lace is really nice, and you guys can see the hair is really soft too. Like, it straightened well. It was just me with this little frontal that couldn't make that top, like the top ponytail, like half up, half down thing didn't work, but I'm gonna figure it out and do it one of these days. But yeah, I hope you guys like this install and little tutorial. Let me know what you guys want me to do next in the comments. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.